Welcome class 12 students in continuation with our chapter 4, change in profit sharing ratio among partners in accounts. We continue with the concept accounting of reserves, accumulated profits and losses. In a previous class, we understood how accumulated profits and losses were accounted and how the reserve created for workmen's compensation was taken into consideration. Today, our topic includes accounting related to investment fluctuations for which there might be reserve, and in such a case the book value and market value is considered. Okay, so investment fluctuation reserve means we should first know the meaning of investments. Okay, investments are the valuable assets of any business enterprise, especially the partnership, where the recording is done in the books at cost. Okay, now it might happen that market value might be equal, lower or higher than its book value. As such, some reserve is created, and this is known as investment fluctuation reserve because the market value is fluctuating. It can be equal, it can be lower, or it can be higher than the book value or the cost. Okay, so investment fluctuation reserve is set aside out of profits to meet the fall in market value of investment. Okay, now with the help of question number 15 of your text, we are going to understand how fluctuations in the market value of investments are treated. Okay, so question number 15 of your textbook states that A, B and C are partners in partnership firm. They are sharing profits in the ratio 5:3:2. Okay, in future they decide to share the profits in the ratio 2:3:5. So this will be your new profit sharing ratio, and this was your old profit sharing ratio. What else is given to you? You are given a reserve of 20,000, correct? Then the market value of investment is 95,000, whereas the book value is 1 lakh. The book value, market value and reserve, three things are given to you. Okay, three inputs are given to you in form of information. Then the profit sharing ratio is also given, the new one, and the old one is also given. What are you supposed to do? You are supposed to do journal entries to distribute or to show how the reserves are utilized. Okay, then I start the solution by showing the working note. Okay, what is the IFR, investment fluctuation reserve? As you can see on the screen, that is 20,000. Okay, then what is the decline in investment? See, book value was 1 lakh and market value is 95,000. So the market value is less than the book value by 5,000, which will be made from the reserve which has been created by firm. Now what is the balance of IFR left? 5,000. The decline in value is met from this fund 20,000, or the reserve for which fluctuation are taken into consideration. So the remaining investment fluctuation reserve is 15,000. Now what will be the journal entry? So now investment fluctuation reserve 20,000 will be utilized to the extent of 5,000 to meet the decline in the value of investment. So the entry is investment fluctuation reserve 20,000, decline is met. So reduction in investment is credited by 5,000. Now how much is left? 15,000. Now this 15,000 will be shared in the old profit sharing ratio, that is 5:3:2. Now A will get 5/10, B will get 3/10, and C will get 2/10 of 15,000. That comes to 7,500, 4,500 and 3,000. Okay, moving to the next question. Very good question. 4 alternatives are given in this. There are 3 partners, Nitin, Tarun and Amar. Their old profit sharing ratio is 1:1:1. Okay, now their new profit sharing ratio, which is to be effected from 1st April 20, is 2:2:1. Okay, book value of investment is 4 lakh. The reserve created is 60,000. You are supposed to find past journal entries in 5 different cases given to you. 5 situations are given to you. Then you are supposed to find out what treatment will you give to the investment fluctuation reserve, the book value of investment as per the cases given to you or as per the situation given to you. In first case, first situation, market value of investment is not given. When market value of investment is not given, that means we assume that investment book value and market value are same. So there is no need to utilize the investment fluctuation reserve. So what you will do, this investment fluctuation reserve will be fully credited to partners capital account, that you can see in form of entry on your screen. See, investment fluctuation reserve 60,000, because book value and market value are same. No information is given about market value. Now what is the old profit sharing ratio? 2:2:1. Okay, so the old profit sharing ratio is equal. So 1/3 Nitin will get, 1/3 Tarun will get, 1/3 Amar will get. So 20,000, the entire IFR will be credited to partners capital account in old profit sharing ratio. Come to the second situation. The market value of investment is 4 lakhs. Book value is also 4 lakh and market value is also 4 lakhs. So there is no need for investment fluctuation reserve, and the entire amount will be credited to partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio, which is 1:1:1. Now investment fluctuation reserve, the entry will be you are going to debit investment fluctuation reserve 60,000. Okay, so now the fund will not be there, the reserve will not be there in the books, and it will be credited to respective partners capital account in the old profit sharing ratio, that is equal 20:20:20. Come to the third case. Market value is 4,24,000. Okay, book value is same, 4 lakhs. When market value is greater than book value, then there will be gain, which will be credited to partners capital account along with the investment fluctuation reserve. See, book value was 4 lakh, market value is 4,24,000. So 24,000 is appraisal or increase in value of investment. That also will be credited to partners capital account, because they will be benefited by the investment which they have done. Okay, and the full reserve will also be credited to partners capital account, that is Nitin, Tarun and Amar. Okay, and in old profit sharing ratio, which is 1:1:1. So 60,000, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Okay, the investment fluctuation reserve is not required, hence it will be credited. And then the next entry is for investment to revaluation, because the value of investment has appraised or increased by 24,000, so it will be transferred to revaluation account. We all know that increase in investment is debited and credit will be given to revaluation account. Okay, the third entry will be the revaluation account will be closed. Okay, so 24,000, and the profit will be transferred or credited to partners capital account, Nitin, Tarun and Amar, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Okay, so there were 3 entries in case number 3. Now come to case number 4. Market value is 3,70,000. Correct. Book value was what? 4 lakh. market value is 3,70,000, so that is market value is less than book value, so there is loss. Okay, the loss is 30,000, okay, which has to be met from investment fluctuation reserve. The reserve was created to meet the fall in investment. So out of 60,000, 30,000 will be met from the reserve which has been created. What is the balance left? 30,000. This 30,000 will be credited to partners capital account in the ratio 1:1:1. So the entry will be investment fluctuation reserve debited, because now this reserve is going not to be there in book. So investment fluctuation reserve debited 60,000 to investment. Decline in investment value is 30,000. Leftover is 30,000, which will be distributed in 1:1:1. So 1/3 of 30,000, 10,000, 10,000 each, and then you write the narration being the fall in market value of investment met out of investment fluctuation reserve, and balance credited to partners capital account. Last is we have market value which is 3,10,000, but and book value is 4 lakhs, so there is loss of 90,000. We have only reserved 60,000. What we will do? This 30,000 loss will be borne by the partners. So the entry will be investment fluctuation reserve revaluation to investment account, and that 30,000 will be borne by partners in their old profit ratio, that is 10:10:10. Okay, I hope we did very good questions which had 5 situations, and the entire concept of investment fluctuation reserve is clear. Thank you all.